Episode 6, the Season 1 Finale. The Vendor Landscape and How Companies Choose. 4 blocks. Why picking matters, Tier 1, the second tier, and the 4 questions that decide. By the end, the market will make sense. Why does this choice matter? An ERP project runs 1 to 3 years, millions of dollars before any return. And switching vendors later is rare because it's brutal. You're not just picking software, you're picking the ecosystem around it. The consultants, the system integrators, the trained people. Once you're in for a decade. The top of the market, Tier 1. 4 vendors cover almost every enterprise install worldwide. SAP is number 1 globally. Manufacturing heritage, very strong in Europe. Their flagship product is S/4HANA. Oracle has deep finance pedigree, dominant in tech, services, and North American enterprise. Their ERP is Fusion Cloud. Microsoft's Dynamics 365 plugs directly into Office 365 and Teams. Strong mid-market, especially in retail. And NetSuite, cloud native, now owned by Oracle. The default for fast-growing mid-market. Below Tier 1, the specialists. 4 names worth knowing. Sage is UK-born, finance first, strong in professional services and small to mid-business. Infor builds purpose-made industry editions. Food, fashion, hospitality, healthcare, each tuned to its domain. Epicor is manufacturing and distribution, and IFS is asset-heavy industries, aerospace, defense, energy, utilities. Two more categories that don't fit the tiers. Open source. Odoo is modular, Belgian, strong among European SMBs. ERPNext is Python-based, growing fast in India and Asia. Both can be self-hosted or taken as managed cloud. And specialty vendors, companies that started in one domain and grew outward. Workday started with HR and payroll. Today it's a full enterprise platform, but still strongest at people. ServiceNow started in IT service management. Now it runs HR cases, operations. How do companies actually choose? 4 questions usually narrow it down. How big is the business? Under 100 staff. Open source or mid-market? 1,000 plus. Tier 1. Which industry? Manufacturing leans SAP or Epicor. Services lean Oracle or NetSuite. Retail leans Microsoft. What already runs? An Office shop goes Dynamics. An existing SAP shop stays SAP. Quick recap and the end of Season 1. Tier 1, SAP, Oracle, Microsoft Dynamics, NetSuite, the giants. Mid-market, Sage, Infor, Epicor, IFS, specialists that win by going deep. Open source and specialty, Odoo, ERPNext, Workday, ServiceNow, non-traditional paths. 4 questions choose: size, industry, incumbent stack, speed versus flexibility. That's the end of Season 1. Thanks for watching all 6 episodes. Ready to go deeper with a specific vendor? The SAP Concept series on this channel covers S/4HANA in 8 episodes. More vendor-specific series are planned. Like and subscribe so you don't miss them.